Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today let's go for a drive in this 2025 Volvo S90 B6 all-wheel drive Ultra. I have videos on the T8 Ultra and the B6 Plus, but I got my hands on the B6 Ultra today, so let's get a quick video on it. So very nice interior materials, of course. S90, pretty similar, familiar interior. It's been the same for a while, other than the the Google screens. You have nice open pore wood trim, nice leather wrap steering wheel, beautiful Aura for Sweden crystal gear shifter, which I really like. Reverse camera, 360 degrees. That's weird. You have the typical Volvo start knob right here, which you swipe to turn on. You have Google Maps in the center, of course. You have a big panoramic sunroof, nice seats with nice materials, Harman Kardon system. This one's finished in platinum gray metallic. Thor's hammer daytime running lights. Nice wheels. Obviously it's a long wheelbase version of the S60, so you have a lot of rear legroom. Really spacious back here, very luxurious. You can move the front seat forward and back, and you also have a sunshade which you can operate. You have heated rear seats as well. B6 all-wheel drive badge back here. Having some trouble finding the release switch. But yeah, good looking car. Let's get this out on the road and see how it drives. You have ventilated and heated front seats in this vehicle as well. I think the T8 had massage seats, but this one doesn't have massage seats. I'm gonna make the steering feel firm. That's like the only sporty thing you can change, and it doesn't really make that much of a difference, to be honest. You also have a head-up display in this Ultra. Yeah, very smooth ride. The seats are super comfortable, and I like the visibility. You have giant windows in this thing, so you get great visibility. But yeah, the S90 is a very nice sedan. It's super luxurious. You can carry, it's nice to drive, and it's comfortable. Obviously super comfortable for the rear passengers. You can be chauffeured in this car, or you can drive this car. Either way, you'll have a good time. If you want more power, you have to get the T8, which will have the it's the plug-in hybrid, of course, so, and it'll have 455 horsepower. This one has like 295 horses. We'll look at the window sticker towards the end of the drive. I forgot to show you guys the window sticker during the walk around. I like these gripping points on the steering wheel. You put your thumbs there. It's nice. It's like it has little indents for your thumbs. Smooth ride. Decent acceleration. Nice suspension too. It's as I'm telling you, it's an enjoyable vehicle to drive. It'll give you some pickup if you need to overtake someone. You'll do that pretty nice, pretty effortlessly for sure. You do have Apple CarPlay in this vehicle as well. Yeah, nice acceleration. I like the turn signal stock. It feels nice and feels good. It feels robust. It doesn't feel like flimsy or anything. Volvos are really pleasant to drive, nice and quiet. The S90 used to have an R-Design Polestar engineered version, which is really nice. Yeah, overall a very pleasant driving experience. I enjoyed it. The Ultra and the Plus for the B6 are going to drive the exact same. The T8 will have more power, as I mentioned, considering the fact that it's a plug-in hybrid. So that's the backup camera or 360 camera coming into view. When you pull into a parking spot. Let me see if I can get that to show again so I can straighten out my parking. Yeah, pretty good camera actually. Let's look at the window sticker before we end this video. Two-liter turbo and E-Charge direct injected engine with 295 horsepower, 310 pound-feet of torque. You have the 20-inch diamond cut alloy wheels. The Ultra will give you a laminated glass, ventilated front seats, tailored dashboard, a crystal geartronic gear shifter by Oriforce, 4-zone automatic climate control, Harman Kardon premium sound. Total price is $65,095. Which honestly, for a big luxury sedan like this, is a pretty good price. I thought that's a good price for sure. But anyways, that is about it. Thank you for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's family dealerships and Grubb's Volvo in the description below if you like to shop for brand new Volvos like this one.